Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So my dear viewers, I am back with another video. In this video you will see such a latest idea about Christmas wall hanging ideas. All the ideas are very colorful, unique and different. So watch the video till end, which is very helpful for your home decor and enhance the beauty and charm of your house. Keep supporting me, keep liking my videos. Your support is very important for me. Subscribe my channel also and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing updates. Thank you. Stay blessed, stay happy. Have a nice day.